I've spent my career analyzing assets, not jewelry. But lately, everyone seems to think their watch collection is an investment strategy. I keep hearing the same thing. Rolex is a better investment than the stock market. As a former investment banker, I think that's the wrong question. Today, we're auditing Rolex versus the S&P 500. I'm the NYC banker. Let's look at the numbers. The first thing you need to understand is that Rolex doesn't just sell watches. It sells scarcity. Production is tightly controlled. Wait lists create exclusivity. And that exclusivity drives secondary market premiums. Many people see those rising prices and assume they're looking at investment returns. But often, part of that return comes from artificial scarcity rather than productive value creation. That's an important distinction. A business grows because it produces more value. A collectible often rises because someone else is willing to pay more. Now, let's compare that to the S&P 500. The S&P represents ownership in hundreds of productive businesses. Those companies generate revenue, profits, dividends, and cash flow. And perhaps most importantly, it's liquid. You can sell your position in seconds. A Rolex is different. You need buyers, you need authentication, you may pay insurance, you may pay servicing costs. And when you sell, there is usually a spread between what buyers offer and what sellers want. Those costs are real. Most people just don't see them. Now, can certain Rolex models outperform the stock market? Absolutely. Some have. But that's not the same thing as saying watches are a superior long-term investment strategy. Because wealth is usually built through compounding, not collecting. The S&P 500 compounds earnings. A watch depends on scarcity and future demand. Those are very different engines. If you want to celebrate a milestone, buy the Rolex. Wear it. Enjoy it. But understand what you're buying. An asset works for you. An accessory works on you. Don't confuse the two. I'm the NYC banker. Subscribe if you want to see how money actually moves beneath the surface. I'll see you in the next audit.